here we are. We have just come out of Key West, which is back behind us, but you really can't see anything of it. It's that whole cloud bank that we wanted to avoid. Our kiteboarders out there. The whole cloud bank we wanted to avoid out in the Atlantic has come to be an issue. So, but there are kiteboarders out there that one of them just noticed. So we are heading out of the channel north of Key West, decked out in foul weather gear, foulies, so that we can ignore the spitting skies. Other than that, seas are like almost completely, this is just flat. This isn't even really chopped. So, almost completely flat. And again, there are kiteboarders out there that are